Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great. As you know that technology of AI is taking over the world, and today our video is going to be about different type of AI technology, which is generative AI. We'll explore what generative AI is, discuss some of its remarkable qualities, and shed light on how it can be dangerous and pose significant challenges and risks. So without any delay, let's start our video. What is generative AI? Generative AI is a subset of artificial intelligence that's making waves in the technical world. Unlike traditional AI, which is rule based, generative AI is designed to generate new content. It works on the principle of two neural networks, a generator and a discriminator, competing against each other to produce realistic output. The dynamic process enables the creation of content such as images, videos, or even text, but mainly focuses on image and videos. Qualities of generative AI. First, let's explore some qualities that make generative AI truly remarkable. It has the ability to create content that is often indistinguishable from what a human being might produce. From generating realistic faces to creating artwork, the creative potential is astonishing. Generative AI is also versatile with applications ranging from content creation to data augmentation. The power lies in its ability to generate novel and diverse outputs. Dangers of generative AI. While generative AI holds immense promise, it's essential to recognize the potential dangers it poses. One significant concern is the generation of deepfakes, realistic but entirely fabricated content that can be used for malicious purposes, such as misinformation or identity theft. Additionally, there are ethical considerations around the misuse of AI to create harmful and deceptive content. The rapid evolution of generative AI raises questions on how to regulate and ensure responsible use in the future. Ethical considerations. Ethical considerations surrounding generative AI are crucial. As this technology advances, we need to address questions related to privacy consent and the potential for abuse. Striking a balance between innovation and responsible use is paramount to harnessing the benefits of generative AI without compromising individual rights and societal well being. Ways to address risks. Addressing the risk associated with generative AI requires a collaborative effort, from developing robust detection mechanisms for deepfakes to establishing ethical guidelines for AI usage. There is a need for proactive measures. Researchers, policymakers, and the tech community must work together to ensure that generative AI is developed and deployed responsibly. In conclusion, generative AI is a powerful and transformative technology with the potential to revolutionize various industries. However, with great power comes great responsibility. As we embrace the creative possibilities of generative AI, it's crucial to be aware of the potential risks and work collectively to reduce them. The future of AI is in our hands, and responsible innovation is the key. Thank you for joining us in today's exploration of generative AI, its remarkable qualities, and its extreme dangers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more discussions on the latest tech trends. Stay curious, stay informed, and stay safe. We'll catch you in the next video. Until then, keep exploring. Goodbye.